Welcome to this quick guide on how to mark a chat as unread on WhatsApp web on PC with the latest update. If you've ever needed to flag a conversation for later, this method is simple, fast, and right at your fingertips. First, open WhatsApp web in your browser and sign in if you're not already connected. You'll see your chats listed on the left side and the active chat on the right. This layout is designed to help you manage messages without switching devices, and today it's all about keeping track of important conversations. Browse through your chat list until you find the chat you want to mark as unread. It can be a personal chat, a group, or any conversation that needs a reminder to revisit. The feature is handy when you've glanced at a message but don't have time to respond yet, or when you want to pause the thread for a later follow-up. With the chat highlighted or selected, perform a right-click on the chat entry. This brings up a compact context menu tailored for quick actions. The options focus on managing the chat rather than altering its content, so you won't be changing messages or settings with this step. From the context menu, look for the option that says Mark as Unread. It's purposefully direct, letting you toggle the unread status without altering the chat history. Click Mark as Unread and you'll notice a small blue dot or an unread indicator appear next to the chat in your list. This visual cue signals that there's something you still intend to revisit, even if you've already opened the conversation. If you don't see Mark as unread right away, ensure you're using the latest WhatsApp web update. Updates sometimes adjust the location of menu items or rename actions, but the core idea remains the same. Mark the chat to restore a pending status. In some cases, you may also find the option under a three dots menu or a dedicated mark as unread button in the chat header, especially if your browser size or UI scale changes. That's all there is to it. Marking a chat as unread on WhatsApp web is a quick, non-intrusive way to manage your messages and keep important conversations on your radar. Now, you can keep your workflow organized, respond when you're ready, and never lose track of a message again.